Ito ang daan patungong House of Friendship. Marahil ito rin ang daang tinatahak ng buhay ng mga batang nakatira dito. Ito ang Balay Canosa Foundation Incorporated. Narito rin ang House of Friendship na pansamantalahang tirahan ng mga abandoned, neglected, orphaned at mentally challenged children. Tinatag noong 1978 sa pamamagitan ni Archbishop Patrick Cronin at ngayon ay nasa pamamahala ng Canossian Sisters.
Kaya pagbigyan na ng pagmamahal.
Si Sister Merna ang nagsisilbing ina ng napakaraming mga bata dito. Ayan na siya. Siya ang tagapamahala dito sa House of Friendship.
Oh my kaya, mabuti kayo.
The bishop to let them see that we need really to a new house. Because for the past 2 years, we are not allowed to repair because it's not really for repair anymore. We need a new house.
New house.
New house. So we hope that they will have a new house soon.
That's soon.
Soon. Welcome about it.
Kaya pinuntahan na kagad namin ni Sister ang site kung saan itatayo ang bagong House of Friendship.
And the last is the one of the children.
So ito na yung site, di ba?
So ito yung site. From this place.
Dito sa lupang ito itatayo ang bagong House of Friendship. Ito yung bagong bahay ng mga abandoned children, ng mga street children, at saka mga mentally challenged children.
Na may magtatampisaw. Mahirap man o may kaya, mabuti kayo manggi.
Okay, the House of Friendship has been here in Baloy for the past 10 years. And in 2006, the community who has been in Cagayan think of a new house. So there were people who really pledges that they will help build the house.
Here in Cagayan de Oro last year when I was assigned here, I was told by my provincial that we're going to build the House of Friendship. I went to the bishop and asked him, Bishop, what can you do? What can you do to build the House of Friendship? One of the activities the first activity that we agreed is to have this dinner for a cause with the bishop. Hopeful that we'll be able to get people who will be able to help us. So this is just the start. You know? We're throwing the stones, to start the construction. But I'm very, very hopeful that it will be materialized.
Very much on Cagayanos. I have been here for 1.5 years and I could touch, I could feel, I could see, I could experience the support of the local community. I know the generosity of the local community, but still, we beg for the help. Your people is our people. Your support, we are grateful. And we believe that God will reward for all the help you are giving to the community.
Dito sa House of Friendship, ang mga abandoned children, mga orphans, nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na mabuhay ng normal. Kapag laro, may matutulugan sa gabi, at nakapag-aral sila.
Our dream, that they can, in the long run, they'll be able to live dignified. It is our dream that they'll be able to finish college so that they can stand by themselves. No?
Alam kong mahaba pa ang babagtasin nilang daan tungo sa katuparan ng kanilang mga pangarap. Hindi bale, sabi nga nila, ang bawat malayong paglalakbay ay nagsisimula sa isang maliit na hakbang. Dito sa House of Friendship, sari-saring kwento ng buhay, kadalasan malulungkot. Ngunit isang palaisipan sa akin ang makita ang mga ngiti sa kanilang mga mukha. Marahil ang kanilang mga munting pangarap ang nagpapasaya sa kanila. Sana tulungan nating panatilihin ang mga ngiti na iyan sa kanilang mukha. Sana tulungan nating matupad nila ang kanilang mga pangarap. Sa aking pag-alis ay dala ko ang mga kwento ng kanilang mga buhay. Sana ay maging bahagi tayo ng karugtong nito.